Hello. Okay, next Omegle video. This time, as it's nearly Halloween, I thought I would dress up as a classic mummy. Because who doesn't love a mummy? So, let's jump on Omegle and see what people make of my wrapped head. Poor choice of words, but appropriate. Let's do this. Hello!
You scared the fuck out of me with that one, not even gonna lie.
Hello.
You're sexy.
Oh my god, thank you!
No!
Hey! Hello! Have you got aircon? I'm so jealous, it's boiling here. Oh, that's rude. Why don't you like mummies? Did a mummy hurt you? Or is it because yours is a whore?
Holy shit, look! Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Oh my god, your voice is almost as high as mine is!
I know you!
Cool.
Do you play CSGO?
I play Pokemon Go. Hi! Well, you guys like having a good time?
What's up, man?
Are you my sperm?
Are you my sperm?
Oh, hun, I'm fairly sure that your sperm is deep inside discount Justin Bieber over there.
What the fuck? Wait, you're a real person?
Yeah.
What the? You're real?
Yeah. As real as your mum's fake tits. We both like Hello Kitty! Oh, and you have bunny ears! Wait, hang on. I see your bunny ears, and I raise you. These.
I love that.
Right? Oh my god, it's the same colour as well! I'm so coordinated!
Oh, hello.
Hi! Oh, that's a rather glorious set of facial accessories you've got going on there. Oh, I like it.
Are you a dude?
Yeah. Hi!
Halloween's the 31st.
Yeah, but being a cunt day was last Tuesday and you're still doing it, ain't ya? Hello!
What the fuck, dude? So what are you?
I'm a mummy, look at me. Look!
The fucking jankest mummy I've ever
We
fucking
match!
seen. Are you making fun of me?
Yes.
Prick mummy. All mummies are pricks, I knew it. Are you English?
Yeah, all mummies are English. I mean, look at the Queen. She's a mummy.
Facts. How the fuck did you get your eyes to do that? Oh.
Hi!
No way! Are you real?
Yeah,
Oh my god, no way. Are you serious? Are you being serious right now?
yeah,
Are you Pinkstylist?
yeah.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Oh, hello. Wait, what does that say? Show socks and I will... So you're not picky then? I mean, hang on. Sock! Oh, God! Hello.
You wanna play a game?
Absolutely.
Alright. Do me a favor. Open your mouth real quick. It's just candy.
Oh.
Okay? Open
No.
your mouth. Open your mouth. Come on.
No, last time I did that I got an unpleasant surprise.
No, just... It's not gonna be nothing stupid. Come on.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
Explain. What are you going to do to me? Oh, God.
Just... You gotta catch them in your mouth. Come on.
See, that's what the last guy said.
No.
Hi.
Damn, homie.
Damn.
You dressed up like that to come on the internet and do this?
Yeah, pretty much.
Solid.
Right?
Fuck off. You know, that's scary.
Oh, you know what? Hang on, 1 second. I might have something for you. Hang on.
Why you do that?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's empty. Oh, wait, sorry. There's one left. Hang on. Hang on.
Okay.
There it is.
What the fuck is that?
Right?
He's so weird. Oh, what's up, Pinkstylist?
Hi! You're the first person I've ever met on Omegle that's getting their hair cut at the same time. Red flags going up all over the place here. I'm concerned about this. Does anyone know he's cutting your hair?
Yes.
Okay. Just worrying me slightly.
Did you?
He is not just cut. Oh no. Has he
No
really just...
way.
Oh no.
You're kidding. You're kidding. You are kidding.
Oh no! If I trim it, it looks good.
Oh.
You were just missing
Nice
hair.
excuse.
Don't worry, it'll be fine. Just add a couple bandages on, you'll look like me.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Is that your Halloween costume?
No, this is my everyday costume. I call it skin.
Oh, sorry.
Hello. Oh, you're pretty. Hi. Oh, bless him. He's all facade, no intelligence. Look, he's trying to figure out if I'm real or not. Am I? Am I? Oh, and he skips. Oh, what a shame. Oh, you would you? Oh. They said they wanted to see me undress. Rude.
Well,
Hi.
What's up?
Hello.
Oh crap.
What?
Hi.
Hey. No?
Bye.
Bye? Oh.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
My bad. You scared me. It's the AirPods. They threw me off.
I know, right? I'm a mummy with money. Oh, hello. If I was 1,000 years younger, I'd give you what I call a dusty mummy. Okay, fair enough. I deserved that, Skip. Oh my god. No lube tonight, darling. Tonight we're going full dusty mummy. Oh. I made it too real.
oh,
Oh.
oh, hello.
Hello!
Oh my god, I'm loving this too much. This seems like really fake, but really real, and I can't. Whoa. Like, this seems like really fake, but then you're like responding to my questions, so I'm like, this has to be real.
In real time, too.
I know, it's so weird.
Oh, I could be like really, really, really good AI.
Oh my god.
Except I'm not that smart, so. Artificial fluff.
Artificial fluff.
I'm
Oh my
AF!
god.
As fluff!
Oh my god.